for me?
It's like a best friend, but more. It's the one person in the world who knows you better than anyone else.
I can't kill dragons.
It's someone who makes you a better person.
I was weak. I wouldn't kill a dragon.
Actually, it doesn't make you a better person, you do that yourself. Because they inspire you. Soulmate is someone who you carry with you. It's the one person who knew you and accepted you and believed in you before anyone else did. Or when no one else would.
You're not my son.
No matter what happens, you'll always love me.
Please, you are my best friend, but
Nothing can hurt you.